Jon Gray, who perhaps is arguably one of the most important people to listen to in the real estate market, because at Blackstone, he oversees a portfolio of assets worth over $90 billion. And he is also, via Blackstone, the largest owner of single-family homes throughout the U.S. They own something like 50,000 homes. They also have multi-family residential properties as well. But anyway, bottom line is he says, in the housing market, he believes it's going to still recover. They want to eventually take their residential home assets public, so he's still quite bullish on that market. But there is this weird disconnect that's happening, and this is why it's complicated, between the public and the private property markets and how they're being priced. So in the public markets, you've seen REITs just get smashed with these expectations that the Fed is going to raise interest rates. So now REITs are trading at a 15% discount to where the private markets are trading. And so thus, Jon Gray says, well, while that looks like a big disconnect, it's also a big opportunity. And you may see more takeovers of REITs.
Especially as we now realize the Fed is never going to raise rates, right?
Well, let's put it this way. A very small chance in October, right? Almost nil.
Almost zero.
Now everybody's looking to December.
Right. I mean, we're seeing, you can't really do it in October because they said they'll have a press conference with it, and they have no press conference in October.
Right.
In December, 32% chance, according to Fed Funds Futures, the biggest chance, the only time that Fed Funds Futures has over 50% is starting in March of 2016.
In March of 2016. John, though, also said that, warned that the longer the Fed holds off on raising rates, there is a bigger and bigger risk of fueling these asset bubbles. So, he joins the chorus of people who say, despite the data that we saw today, we need to get off of zero interest rates.